What is the situation of DevOps job openings in Indian software industry? Is there job openings for DevOps consultant or DevOps engineer job profiles or not? Yes, I have approached many senior DevOps professionals. So they are saying that yes, there are some job openings are there in software industry for senior DevOps professionals who have more than 4 years, more than 5 years of experience candidate. So they have some job openings in software industry for DevOps professionals. I immediately asked one more question. What about freshers or 1 year or 2 years of experience candidate? Yes, there are some freshers and 1 year or below 3 years experience jobs also available. But due to high competitions, many peoples they are finding the DevOps jobs very hardly. Only few job openings are there in India who have below 3 years of experience candidate or below 2 years. Even freshers also, they are hardly finding the DevOps job openings in these days. Some startup companies, mid-sized companies like this, some companies like Noida, Gurgaon and Pune, Bangalore, Chennai. So these locations, they are finding few fresher job openings, but due to high competitions, you may not find or you may not shortlist your profile. In fact, there are few job openings are there for freshers also. Everyone may not get a fresher job as a DevOps professional. And in the second case, who have 2 years or 3 years of experience candidate, those people also, those DevOps professionals also getting calls, but only genuine profiles and genuine candidates only shortlisting the profiles, and HR usually screening your profile before scheduling the interviews by asking your personal details like Aadhaar, PAN card or your PF account number like this. So once they confirmed you are genuine candidate, you have relevant experience 2 years or 3 years, then they are confirming, then they are scheduling your interview. Otherwise, they are not moving your profile, otherwise they are not shortlisting your profile. They are just taking the details, and once they confirm your profile is not a genuine profile, they are simply rejecting your profile, not scheduling the interviews. And the next scenario, who have more than 4 years or 5 years of experience, they are getting some calls, weekly 2 or 3 or 4 also, based on your relevant skills and experience, based on your company where you have been working. Finally, I can say only one thing. We have strong technical skills or relevant skills in DevOps. Those candidates are getting the jobs. Okay. So if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. So if you really love this information, forward to your friends as well, and also don't forget hit the like button. So if you like the button, it will reach more people. So if you want more useful information like this, then follow our byluckysir YouTube channel as well. Okay. So I will meet with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.